Yo guys, do you also bump into this problem? Is the issue with the outlet of the dryer? Yeah, it constantly breaks and falls apart and gets clogged. And to put this ridiculous stuff against birds shouldn't go in. It's supposed to prevent, you know what I mean? But it's constantly an issue and it's terrible to clean. Do yourself a favor. Rip the thing out and we'll put in a new elbow. If you have to, you can use one of these rubber bands for a nice snug fit. I have some Sika around it, so I don't need. Just pop this thing in, as so. Elbow, you can twist it any direction you want. The rain, this comes right out. Give it a nice whack and clean up all the stuff that comes out of the washer, the dryer. Very simple. Again, when it gets full of lint and you gotta clean it out, no more playing around with that little plastic thing that always gets clogged. Whack it out. Give this a whack. Easy to clean. All the lint is out. And a nice opening for all the air to go out. Once in a while, take out the whole elbow if you need to. But mostly, you can be taking that one out. A few seconds, system is clean.